Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to do voiceover on TikTok. To do this, you just need to go and open the TikTok app. After that, go to click on the plus button on the bottom of the screen. And after that, choose any video that you want to do voiceover for. For example, I will choose this video. And after that, click on next. After that, delete any sound that if they added like a sound to your video. And if there is a sound on the video, just you need to mute it and click done. And after that, go and click on the voice icon. There is a microphone with a star on it. It's called voice. Click on it. And as you can see, you can add sound to use, like you have the voice filters, or you can record your voice directly. So if you want to record your voice directly, just click on record. And now you will start recording your voice with the video. And when you complete, you click on this icon with the red square. And after that, click done. Now you will start recording your voice with the video. As you can see, now you will start recording your voice with. As you can see, we added our voice over to the video. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.